Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Please permit me to take just 4 minutes of your time to show you guys how I prep my French coils. Okay, how you can easily prep your French coils if you want the coils to come out so fine and you don't want to struggle while you are prepping your coils. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it. That when you are braiding with your French coils, you don't need to struggle. Okay, you don't need to struggle, it won't tangle at all. So just follow me to the end of this video. That's what I'm going to show you guys. Just 4 minutes and we are done. Okay, ensure you stick with me to the end of this video so that you don't miss any important parts. To all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are here to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that. So guys, we need a bowl of water. You can use bucket, you can use bowl, anything at all. Just add a good conditioner inside the water. Any conditioner of your choice, any good conditioner of your choice can go. Just add it, enough conditioner inside the water, clean water please. Then when you are done, just then unwrap your French coils. That's the next thing you will do. Unwrap it. Please do not cut out the band. Okay, do not cut off the band. Just go ahead. When you are done unwrapping, just dip it inside the water like that. Make sure every part of the coils is soaked with the conditioned water. Okay, allow it for a little bit, just for maybe a minute or so. Let it soak a little bit. Then the next thing, we are going to go ahead and squeeze out the water. Okay, we have to squeeze it out gently so that you don't scatter the coils. This is what you should do before you braid with your French coils. That's the only way you can retain the coils, okay, without scattering it, and that's the only way you will not waste your coils, because once the coil starts to tangle, definitely a lot of the coils will be wasted. So do this, it will be easy for you to braid. So the next thing is to cut off one. They normally band it with 2 bands like this. Just cut the first one. Then carefully loose the second band. Okay, when you do this, you now split. Just collect little. Okay, the one you want to make use of, just collect little of it, not much. Just pick little, be taking it little by little. Then when you pick out little, go ahead and then band the remaining one and keep it in a safe place. Please, you can hang it somewhere. Just keep it in a safe place. And again, please, after dipping it inside the conditioned water and squeezing out the excess water, you can allow it to dry a bit. Not possibly under the sunlight. It can be just dry it a little bit, but not totally dry. Okay, then before you start prepping it, you see how I'm prepping it with no struggle. It's very easy. When you do this, your French coils, start from the beginning of your braiding to the end, it will not tangle at all. As far as you're picking it little by little, when you are done, you can just go ahead and loose the band, then pick another one and then band the remaining one and keep it in a safe place. This is just how you can. So guys, this is just the simplest way you can treat your French coils and then braid with it without any struggle or tangling. If you want to know the perfect way to sew down your closure, this particular one here, and how you can draw your guidelines for making your crochet wigs, please watch the last 2 videos I uploaded. I'm still going to upload the tutorial video on how I made this wig, okay, with this particular French coils. That video is coming up soon. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that once I upload that video, you get notified. Bye.